complete BPC-157 plus TB-500 healing stack, the protocol that's replacing surgery. Cold open orthopedic surgeons are watching their surgical schedules empty out, and a two-peptide stack that costs less than your insurance copay is the reason why. The data on this combination is so compelling that researchers are calling it systemic repair in a syringe. Welcome back to the Real Bio Protocol, the channel where we break down the science of peptides, fitness, and health optimization that most people will never hear about. Today we are diving into something that could completely change the way you think about injury recovery and tissue repair. We are going to cover exactly how it works, what the real science says, the results you can expect week by week, and exactly what you need to do to get the most out of it. Stay with us until the end because we are going to give you the full protocol. Let's get into it. ACT1. The setup here is what mainstream medicine tells you when you tear a tendon, strain a ligament, or develop chronic joint pain. Rest it. Ice it. Take anti-inflammatories that actually slow healing. Then wait 6 months. If it still hurts, we will cut you open and bill your insurance $40,000. Meanwhile, you are losing muscle, gaining fat, watching your fitness disappear, and paying for physical therapy sessions that feel like they are going nowhere. The system is designed to keep you dependent, broken, and paying, but here's what they are not telling you. Two peptides discovered decades ago have been shown in hundreds of studies to accelerate tissue repair at rates that make surgery look primitive. BPC-157 and TB-500. One derived from human gastric juice, one from a protein that helps wounds close. Together they create a healing environment your body has never experienced. And the medical establishment, they would rather you never find out. ACT2, the science BPC-157, stands for Body Protection Compound. It is a sequence of 15 amino acids originally isolated from human stomach lining. Studies have shown it promotes angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels. It upregulates growth hormone receptors in injured tissue. It modulates nitric oxide pathways and has been demonstrated to heal tendons, ligaments, muscle, and even gut lining in animal models. TB-500 is the synthetic version of thymosin beta-4, a protein that regulates actin, the building blocks of cell structure. Research shows TB-500 promotes cell migration to injury sites, reduces inflammation, and increases flexibility in damaged tissue. It has been studied for heart tissue repair, wound healing, and tendon recovery. Here's where it gets interesting. These two peptides work through completely different mechanisms. BPC-157 focuses on blood vessel formation and growth factor signaling. TB-500 focuses on cellular migration and tissue remodeling. Stack them together, and you are attacking injury recovery from multiple angles simultaneously. Published research has documented accelerated healing in torn Achilles tendons, rotator cuff injuries, and ligament damage. The science exists. It just never made it to your doctor's prescription pad. ACT3. How it works, think of your injury like a construction site. You have damage, you need materials delivered, you need workers to show up. You need a foreman to coordinate everything. BPC-157 is like opening new roads to the construction site. More blood vessels means more nutrients, more oxygen, more building materials reaching the damaged tissue. It also tells your body to ramp up growth factor production, sending signals that repair is priority one. TB-500 is like calling in extra workers and making them more efficient. It helps cells migrate to exactly where they are needed. It reduces the chronic inflammation that slows everything down. It makes damaged tissue more flexible during the remodeling process so you heal stronger, not stiffer. Run them together and your body gets overwhelming support for repair. More delivery routes, more workers, better coordination, faster results. ACT4, the protocol here is the exact stack protocol for a 12-week injury recovery cycle. BPC-157 dosed at 250 to 500 micrograms once or twice daily. TB-500 dosed at 2 to 2.5 milligrams twice per week for the first 4 weeks, then once weekly for maintenance. Inject subcutaneously as close to the injury site as practical. Reconstitute with bacteriostatic water. Store refrigerated. For diet, prioritize protein at 1 gram per pound of body weight. Add collagen peptides and vitamin C to support connective tissue synthesis. Stay hydrated. Avoid alcohol, which impairs healing. For training, introduce controlled loading gradually. Light movement promotes healing. Complete rest often makes injuries worse. Work with a qualified practitioner if possible. ACT5, week by week, results week 1, reduced inflammation and pain. Many report noticing something different within days. Week 2, improved range of motion. The injury starts feeling less restrictive. Week 4, significant functional improvement. Activities that caused pain before become manageable. Week 8, major structural healing underway. Strength returning to the affected area. Week 12, most users report 80 to 100% recovery from injuries that would have required surgery or taken over a year to heal naturally. Resolution: you now understand what BPC-157 and TB-500 actually do at the biological level. You have the exact protocol. You know what results to expect and when to expect them. This is not magic. This is biochemistry that has been studied for decades and kept from mainstream application. The science is out there, and now you have it. That is why we are here. This is the real bio protocol. If you enjoyed this upload, do not forget to like and subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Share this with someone who needs it and tune in again for the next upload. See you then. If you enjoyed this upload, do not forget to like and subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Tune in again for the next upload. This has been the Real Bio Protocol.